And now what is the latest in as far as devolution is concerned? Governors have continued to slum the Office of the Control of Budget, COB, over what they term a deliberate attempt to frustrate cash flow in counties and called on senators to defend devolution. Speaking during the inter-county games in Kakamega, Governors George Natembeya, Kawira Mwangaza, Fernandez Barasa, Simba Arati of Kisii County, and Simon Kachapin vowed to make real their threat to shut down counties in 30 days should the financial standoff persist.
Treasury itakana kuwa independent of the national government. Kwa sababu inakaa kwamba waziri akisema nimepeana counties pesa, ni kama anatoa pesa kwa mfuko yake, ni kama ni favor anatufanyia. Sisi kama Council of Governors, ile azima ambayo tulitoa kwamba kama tupati fedha in the next 30 days, we are going to close down counties. And that's going to be done. Lazima wale wakereketwa pia wajue kwamba zile huduma ambazo zinaadhiri mwananchi kwa moja, mambo ya afya, mambo ya kilimo, mambo ya maji, hayo mambo yote iko kwenye county.
Sisi kama governors, we are not begging for approval of our requests. We are sounding the last warning, the control of budget. We are going to call out dissolution of that office ili tupate watu ambao wako na madhumuni ya kutetea ugatuzi.
I wish to extend this request to the Exchequer's release to the counties. As you are aware, most of us here travel without those BADMs and the staffs they are suffering. I want to appeal that the COB act swiftly, on time, bound funding applications like staff allowances such as the PADMs for Kikosta Games to avoid subjecting our staffs to unnecessary suffering.
You are watching KTN Prime. When we come back, Kericho County Assembly impeaches the Deputy Speaker in a controversial session